videotaping. Say hi. Jonathan, say hi. He's looking, he's like, oh, what's that?
You're trying to be Nico, you try to do the little flat, bud. Alright.
You want to cut them out?
I know, but if you make like that, then
Sakura.
it's
Hi,
okay. You want to make
Sakura. Hi.
What do you want to make sure we can pick it up off the
So cute.
Okay, Carter, you can.
You made a carrot.
Okay.
Hold on.
You already need some super so you can have a
Yep,
flower.
you ready to make some cutouts? You want little cutouts like this?
Okay, make another
Look,
one.
Nico. There's little tiny ones. Nope, you gotta turn it over so the flat edge is gonna be cut.
One of yours, don't mess with it.
Cut it?
Good job, Gabriel.
Falling apart.
We wanna make a
I'm
flower.
going to pick up and re-roll it.
No.
Yeah, man. Good job.
I'm going to make a
Kind of like that.
Okay.
We're gonna pick it up off the sheet.
Elbow grease.
Good job.
He puts it over there when he's all done.
Nope.
I like that.
Another
Yep.
one.
So you go ahead and make some shapes, and then we'll pick it up and re-roll it out so you'll have more.
Bunny? Turn it over and put the sharp edge.
Are you doing it? You did it. Can you make it a little flatter?
It's the flower kind.
Okay, here.
Never ever
Get these
again.
out.
Come on. There's your bunny.
I've never seen it like that.
Hang on. We gotta re-roll it so you have more room.
And